Okay, wait. This is our snack box, okay? People be looking like, what the hell? Everybody's snack boxes be like this big. This is our Asian snack box. This is our candy, okay? This is everything we got. Alright. I don't know what none of this stuff say. None of it.
This is so good.
Alright, which one we gonna do first? Since this is open, we're gonna do this. This got corn on the front. I don't know what it is, but it's got corn on the front. So we're gonna eat it. Alright, yeah, you bite the top.
Okay, I'll go first and then you go after me.
Bite the top piece of stale.
Okay.
What it tastes like?
Yeah, what it tastes like.
Dude, you gotta move in some.
It's like sugar ale. It tastes like
Sweet.
sweet. But it tastes like a cheese ball.
A cheese ball.
Yeah, it tastes like a cheese ball.
But it's sweet, though?
Yeah. It tastes sweet and lemon.
It don't taste like this.
Yeah.
It looks like it's ranch. It's got ranch on it. Babe, you gonna taste this?
It tastes like a cheese.
It tastes like Cheetos.
Let's do this
No.
one.
Alright, we're gonna go around. Alright, show that to the screen.
Okay, I don't know what this is, but it looks like it has crawfish on it, so we're gonna try this one. You wanna try this? Oh no.
Yeah, eat it, girl.
You picked it.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Can we all take one and then
Yeah,
eat
take
it?
one. Take one, D.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I
Look at
feel
that face.
It tastes like ramen noodles without.
She said ramen noodles.
That's not cooked. Like when you take them out the pack.
Yeah. But what the
The
sauce on it?
sauce on it.
Oh, that's probably what it is. These are ramen noodles in a bag, y'all.
Ramen
And they
noodles
sell
in
them
the
as
bag.
chips.
And it tastes like
You gotta
chips.
eat all of it, mommy.
Oh yeah, those are ramen noodles in a bag.
Wow.
That's exactly what that is. D, it's your turn.
You can pick.
They kind of taste like chicken flavor.
This is the pink candy, and we're all gonna try this. Ooh, it looks yellow or green.
That's the squishy one, right?
It smells like this Japanese soda that I had before.
That
I
smells
I've
like
had
dish detergent. I mean laundry detergent. That smells like laundry detergent.
Look at his face.
It tastes like lemon.
It tastes okay to me.
It tastes like lemon.
And you were supposed to look at this little piece. You supposed to show this before we bit it.
I did
Want
show
to taste this?
It tastes like lemon.
Yeah.
Does it taste?
Gummy bear.
It's my made hamburger back. Asia doesn't like it. William says it's good, and I said it's good. I like it. I like any kind of lemon cake, really.
I want to.
So note that I like any kind of lemon cake, okay? Any kind of lemon cake. I like it. Okay, it's Asia's turn.
I knew you was gonna do that one.
I'm also doing this one, so don't choose this one. Wait a minute. forgot I ate that one. Okay.
What, is that pineapple?
No.
Or
It is. This is what the back looks like. I always smell everything before I eat it.
I know, I do too.
Like, I smell everything.
It's like a habit.
Even if I...
You want to see if it stink or not?
it smells like
Open, check it out. Let me see what it looks like. It looks like
It's a cook.
anybody. Well, everybody have grandparents, and they had that blue can of cookies on their table. That it looks like one of those.
Oh, yeah, like they got the, like it's in the, you know,
The
with the,
variety.
like, yeah, it's in the, like, little individual wrappers.
Mm-hmm. What it tastes like? What it tastes like? You like it, Dick?
it's like one of those baby cookies.
Baby cookies.
It tastes like one of those
smell
wafers.
It's water.
Mm. The cookie is good.
Malik, it's your turn.
Malik, it's your turn.
I'm going to pick this one because it has two with it.
Okay. Hmm.
No, you're not. Oh,
I'm tired.
I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat
You gotta try it.
this. It smells like stuff.
It smells like soy sauce.
No,
Tastes
take one out and bite it.
Okay.
It smells like soy sauce.
It's like a corn puff though.
Okay, it got sugar in it for sure.
But it smells like soy sauce.
Baby, wanna try this cookie?
This cream puff is stale. It's good.
But
It tastes
still.
like something from the US.
This nasty.
Oh,
It's stale. No, that's not how it actually is. Nasty. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's
But it
a
smells
nope.
like soy sauce.
I think it's a nope.
Mine is a yup.
No, it doesn't nope.
For
it
all
do smell
of
like soy sauce though.
Mommy, what's yours? Yep or nope?
No.
Mine's a nope. Mommy's your turn. You only got two left.
Okay, I'm going for this. Let me
pussy
get off.
pussy roll.
Okay, let's hurry up and zoom through this. This is the next piece. I do not know what that candy is called.
It is a bourbon white.
Bourbon. It's bourbon.
Oh, I didn't know.
It's a bourbon.
White Lolita.
That's okay.
This like white chocolate.
Come on, that piece of candy. You about to go put a movie on that? Alright, I'll bend
What does it
in
look like? Pear?
5 minutes.
Looks like pear.
Yeah. No.
What does it
No.
look like?
That's got a bunch of little seeds in the middle.
Oh.
And it looks like a piece of hard candy, so you have to bite it. You can't get it? Let me smell it.
I want to smell.
It smells like Sprite.
Smells like Sprite. Sprite. Get it, sauce. I want to smell.
You look like it's stinging you on the inside. Like, that looks dangerous.
It tastes like the.
I don't even like hard candy, though.
What's those one type of?
It what?
You gotta taste it anyways.
What's those one type of?
No, put it in
Candy.
your mouth, Mom. Like, actually in.
What's those
Ugh.
one? What's those one type of What's those?
Okay, hold on. Okay, so we tried about
Oh, it is.
5 things. The corn little thing was out of, okay, we're gonna rate everything.
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. This little thing here was a 5 for me. What about you, Asia?
I'll do 5.5.
What about you, William?
It's like a.
If it was really good, then it's like.
If it was really good, it's like, yeah.
If it was really bad, then it's
Like a
2.
2.
Like a 2 for William, 5.5, Asia, 5 for me. This here took the cake. This was a 10 for me. What about you, Asia?
0.
What about you, William?
10.
10 me,
You're
0 Asia,
nasty.
10 William. This cookie was probably number 2 for me, so I'm going to rate this a number 9. What about you, Asia?
8.
8. What about you, William?
10.
So 9 me, 8 Asia, 10 William. This piece of crap right here is at the bottom of the totem pole. This was a 0 for me. What about you, Asia?
0.
0.
This right here was pretty good. I'll give this a 8. What about you, Asia?
8.
What about you, William? So 8 all the way across the board. This right here was.
It was good.
It didn't hit the bottom of the totem pole like those crackers, so I'll give this a 1. What about you, Asia?
0.
What about you, William?
10.
1 me, 0 Asia, 10 William. If you see any of my mukbangs or whatever with William in it, you will know everything is good to him.
Yeah.
So if anybody wanted to send him anything that was not poisonous, he'd eat it.
Yes.
Okay,
But-
wait.
Oh, the ramen noodle crackers.
Yeah, those was gross.
The ramen noodle crackers was a 0 for me.
0 for me.
0.
0 all over.
It tasted
the
like
board.
ramen noodles, but with the sauce pack.
That little lemony candy. That was I'd give that a 9.
3.
William. Hurry up.
10.
So 9, 3, 10. And that's it. That was the weakest snack box I've ever seen. Okay, I am going to get another snack box. It'll be much bigger and the snacks will be more advanced. Like I said, I will be doing another mukbang, but that will be Thanksgiving and then something afterwards. Vlogs may come, I don't know. Whenever I pick up the camera, I will record.
Yeah, after I start finding out what I want to do with my channel, I'm going to make a vlog of my stay in New York.
Okay, yes, she has a college trip coming up, right?
No, it's just a trip to New York.
Oh, but it's with
Yeah.
school. So she has that coming up. That will be a nice vlog. William doesn't, he just comes in if we pull him in. But yeah, I'm ready to go lay down and watch movies. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, spam the like button, share if you want. Make me know another line. Yeah, hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload. And that is it. My Instagram is officially Miss TA7. Officially _ Miss TA7. Asia, what's your underscore? Yeah.
Mine will be in the link below.
Okay, so we're going to leave her information down below. And you guys have a good night.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.